Moon is right around the corner, guys. Moon, I'm pretty sure, because look what's happening to XRP. It's outperforming Bitcoin. We're going to talk about it all on today's video, guys, but it seems like XRP versus Bitcoin pairing is extremely strong. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around $2.26. Beautiful. It seems like the bottom is likely in, guys, right? It's already in. It's just insane to me. They couldn't even give me my target. XRP was like 2 cents above my target. Now, let's talk about what's happening today. The Riddlers are activated, guys, and the bear is about to come alive again, it seems as well. So we'll see. Now, guys, you're from part of XRP, the XRP community. Now, this is quite interesting. And it's Monday again from Big Schwartz. He tweeted out yesterday, right? The A and the M are capitalized, guys. Fascinating. So we'll see. I mean, it is a brand new week, and supposedly this is the week where possibly we should see XRP's price green. Once again from Big Schwartz, on a silent Christmas Eve, a single snowflake fell, glowing faintly, and where it landed, a tiny evergreen tree began to bloom, adorned with lights that no one had hung, guys. Wow, what do we think about this? Right? On a Christmas Eve. On a silent Christmas Eve. Well, tomorrow is the 24th, guys, and it is Christmas Eve. On that day specifically, that's when the bear always activates, right? Tomorrow as well, Big Short stated miracle. What do we think? I'm thinking it honestly has to do with XRP's price. I don't know, but when I look at towards the chart, guys, it has to do something with XRP, right? Price specifically, because things are looking good. Money's flowing in heavily. This is all the 24th, guys. 1024 comes out to 1224. 1224 from Howard Moon, right? Presidents, ho ho ho. And from BG123 as well. Always activated. Plus X is the 24th letter, right? The year is 2024. What's going to happen, guys? What I do know is this is the greatest call ever known to mankind, right? This is just diabolical, guys. I got so excited. Again, David Schwartz is literally a legend. How can people not realize this? I don't know, right? He literally gave us the code so many times. He told us when to buy and when to sell. He called the bottom after we did, by the way. A month later, I think he called the bottom. He said to the moon, and then at the top of the market, he said to sell. I didn't know when to sell, but he did. But now I know when to trust David Schwartz, or always to trust. Right? He's never given a wrong call, guys, to this date. And guess what he stated today, or just yesterday? 10 times, or 10x times, right? What? A minute? What? Wait a minute, guys. This is just ridiculous. Hold on a minute, right? Hold on, because as soon as I seen this, I'm like, okay, so 10x4. Well, it depends. Could this be 100x, right? 10x times. What? Or let's just say something more conservative. Let's just say 10x, right? So 10x current XRP's price. What does that give us, right? To get to $22, we will need to 10x from $2.15. There you guys go. So it's about what? It's about that range, guys, right? It's about that range. It seems as about 20, like low $20. What's fascinating about that is Mr. Pool literally called it first, though. Look at that, $23 on the order books. Okay, so now I know when to sell. That's what I'm selling, guys, right? My first sell order will be at this price, at least for my trading bag. Hodl bag, I'm just going to hold, guys, unless David Schwartz does come out around this price point. Okay, so this is how I know it's game over. If David Schwartz once upon a time and XRP's at $20-ish dollars, he comes out saying, oh, just in case, guys, you may want to take some profits out the markets, right? Because we're heading higher and higher and higher, and it's always good to take some profits. I'm out, right? I may even sell a tiny bit of my hodl bag, right, and then buy back in when we bottom out from this price point. Because how is this possible? David Schwartz says 10x, which comes out to around this number, right? So we'll see. This comes from Wuston. On his chart as well, guys, points to around that price point. You guys can see, right? Maybe a consolidation. But again, it's around that price point, guys. So we have to talk about the charts now. Does it like connect, guys? It seems like it does, right? Somehow, some way as well. But that's fascinating, guys. The reason I'll say this is because a lot of people believe XRP will go to like the $10 range. Okay, so let's just say this is $10 range, guys, and we know the majority is wrong, right? I don't believe this will happen. Either XRP goes below this a lot, right, to like $4 and then tops out, guys, before we see a dump and then back up, or it'll have to go above and beyond it, right? It'll have to go beyond. So let's just say $20 now, right? And then when the recession strikes, it comes back down to this area, and then we go higher, right? So the people who bought in, they're probably going to FOMO back in at higher, guys, unless they control their emotions, right? But again, it's quite risky until the financial advisors give us a call, which is, in my opinion, the red alerts, but more directly David Schwartz, because he literally says it directly. He doesn't. Sometimes it's cryptic, such as the tweet we just seen about 10x times. But as we can see from this chart, it's possible, guys. We could head towards these higher ranges, right? The bull flag or one of these patterns, guys. Again, it takes us to that range, right? 11-ish, $12, but add momentum, add FOMO, guys, add retail buying, right? And maybe add an institution just buying the order books. Remember, the liquidity is thin, and we'll see a lot of people selling at these prices, 100%, right? But that's what, if I was an institution and I wanted to gobble up as much as XRP possible, I would have to do that, guys, right? So right now, if an institution bought, guys, it'll make the price go higher, right? And they're probably, or certain whales are probably going to do that, most definitely, right? That's how prices went higher from these levels, guys. By the way, look how they didn't stop it, because so many insiders bought, guys. And round 2 is incoming, right? Round 2 is incoming. There's going to be okay, so let's say we pump. There's going to be a consolidation phase. We're probably going to pump again, guys, right? $20 does seem a little bit insane, but it doesn't. It literally doesn't. Okay, let me crack the code for you guys. Oh, I'm going crazy. Now, Credible Crypto, I remember it just clicked in my mind. Credible Crypto, once upon a time, stated, if you look at the XRP versus Bitcoin pairing, guys, let me just show you guys right here. Let me drag it from my other monitor and show you guys. Okay, looking at the XRP versus Bitcoin pairing, what does that tell us? It tells us that, let's check this out, okay? So, this is XRP versus Bitcoin. I'm pretty sure if XRP goes back to these ranges, guys, up here, right? Up here, that's $20-ish for XRP, right? And that seems like a good point to sell. Once again, really eerie when we have David Schwartz saying the same exact thing, right? Credible Crypto talked about this, guys. I'm not going to find a video, but I should. Let me see if I can find a video really quickly. So here's XRP versus Bitcoin pairing, guys. David Schwartz is a legend. I can't.
Deviation below the range lows. We then made a higher low right here. And so now we target the range highs. So just to put this into perspective, when I say that XRP is really bullish and people are underestimating it, just to give you an idea, a move from where we are now up to the range highs is almost a 900% move. So that's a 900% gain against Bitcoin. For some context, at 0.002, which is where that level is, if Bitcoin's trading at $100,000 when we hit the range highs here, that puts XRP at $20. And
done. That puts XRP at $20, and that's if Bitcoin is trading at 100K. Obviously, if XRP moons to $20-ish, Bitcoin will be higher. So that means XRP's price will probably be higher, right? Guys, this is just ridiculous. I can't believe my face. Look at that. He literally stated $20-ish. The same thing that if you multiply XRP's price right now by 10, it gives you around that range. Strange, if you ask me. Mr. Pool, order book, $23. I'm selling at that price. Thank you, insiders. Thank you.
And so that's assuming Bitcoin's only at 100K. So if we hit that level when Bitcoin's at 150 or 175 or even 200, then we're going to be a lot higher than $20 XRP when we get to that point. So what we're seeing here is essentially a massive range that we have deviated below.
Again, we deviate below, we have to go back up, guys. That's how gravity works, at least in cryptocurrencies, in the crypto market. Now, 30-minute XRP net inflow of just $5 million pumped XRP from 0.5 cents from 215 to 220, guys, right? But again, I have been looking at XRP's chart. It looks so bullish. I can't believe they didn't give me my my target, guys. And here it was. Let me show you guys. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's go here. Zoom this into the hourly. Look at this, guys. Okay, they didn't give it. They literally didn't give it, huh? They went to $2.13 twice, but they just didn't give that $2.11 I was waiting for. I'm never talking about XRP Chart ever again, guys, because every time I do, it's the opposite always happens. I've noticed, literally. Coinbase and Bitstamp spot buyers have not been stopped. Oh, hold on. Coinbase and Bitstamp spot markets haven't stopped buying XRP. Literally, right? That's what I think. I have been seeing a lot of money flowing into XRP, even though we have corrected. Why? So this is why. There we go. So this is why. It's understandable, right? So money's just flowing in heavily. But remember, back to the topic of how David Schwartz knows, right? It's just a few breadcrumbs he gave us. So check this out. XRP is about to moon, guys. It literally is. He gave us all the answers. It's about to moon to $20. I can't wait. Oh my lord, right? We're almost in 2025 and people are still surprised a cryptographer is being cryptic, right? He's supposed to be, guys, right? This is just ridiculous. I can't believe my face at all. I just can't, guys. Right? I just can't. I'm literally mind blown. But hey, extra VOD, how do these quote unquote riddlers know? Are they insiders, or what are they, right? Because something doesn't add up, you may be wondering, but it does, because the bear is a May sun, right? He loves the sun, and he pointed towards the month of May. Ask yourself why. Because May and the sun, right? Mason. But wait, the bear is a joker, a master of deception. Could that be the case, right? And supposedly Christmas is the illusion, New Year holds its truth. Either or, we're close, guys, right? It's that clear, guys. We're close. No illusion here. It's actually in plain sight. The bear is dressed up with a red bow tie and drinking champagne, which we drink on New Year's Eve, watching Brad go to the moon. Wow. So if it's not this week, guys, it's next week, right? But again, it's around this time frame. Again, prepare. This isn't financial advice. Do not listen to me, because at the end you're listening to a cartoon bear. What? Green Christmas presents is already opened. It's passed. It passed right here, right there. What is a Christmas present? Merry Christmas, by the way. So yeah, either or, guys. We'll see, right? We're getting close to that point, because David Schwartz talked about frogs and leaping and all sorts of stuff, right? It's getting crazy out here, guys. I just can't believe it. It's not about how early you get in. It's about how long you hold. That's simple. Monday. A gift is waiting for you. Perseverance is always worth it. Merry Christmas, right? Almost that day, guys. The fountain for today's video comes from Big Short or Uptown Sol 322. Today's date. Let us prepare. I'm super excited. Let's go. Not financial advice, but it was as always. See ya.